Hey, I'm Hassan from Cool Kids Creative Lab. Welcome to my channel. This is my first video on YouTube. Today I'm going to teach you freeze frame transition. Please watch till the end and I hope you enjoy. And if you enjoyed it, please hit the like and subscribe button. To start this tutorial, we need two clips. We'll drag and drop them to the project panel. Then we drag and drop them to the timeline. So we need to mask this clip. So we'll drag it to here. Put the playhead at the beginning of the second clip. Duplicate it by clicking and holding the Alt button. Move the clip little back, make it little shorter, and cut it by clicking C, and delete the other section. Click on the duplicated layer and put the blade at the beginning of the clip, and then right click on it and click on frame hold option. Press OK. As you see, our clip is now freezed. The next step is to mask it. Let's go to the effect panel, search for crop, drag and drop it to the duplicated layer. Then from there, let's go to the effect, choose the pen tool, and we'll mask out our object. We are done with the masking. We will zoom out. Then to see the mask, we need to click on invert. So let's click on invert and put the left to 100. Now you can see the mask. Let's play the clip to see the result. Yeah, we are pretty much done here, but let's add a little more spice to it. It's kind of boring, so we'll go to the effect panel. We'll search for transform, drag and drop it to the clip. Yeah, then click on the duplicated layer, the masked one. Let's go to the effect panel, effect control panel, then go to transform, then let's position it, let's add some animation to it. So we put the mask object all the way down, then we keyframe it from here, then let's go a little bit front, then click on reset button, and let's see the animation now. Yeah, then we can do another thing, add a little motion blur to it. Let's go here to transform, then shuffle angle. Let's put it, I think, yeah, 150 is good. Let's see now. Yeah, but I think if we add more, it'll be more cool, you know. Like, let's try this. Yeah, I think we need to shorter the clip. It's very long, I think. Then we drag it back here. Yeah, it's much more better now. You can be more creative by just playing with the parameters and opacity, stuff like that. You can be more creative. I think we are done with the transition. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.